Welcome back to Salkeld's Adventures. Today we're back in the Lake District, this time in the Buttermere Valley, paying a visit to the beautiful natural mountain pools.
The Buttermere Infinity Pool has risen to fame on social media recently, and it's safe to say it's worthy of all the attention. It's an idyllic spot with crystal clear water and wonderful views over Buttermere. However, venture a little further up the valley and you'll find a series of other stunning and quieter pools, each one a little different to the other.
We travelled along the Honister Pass, which is said to be one of the best driving roads in the UK, offering both fantastic views of the surrounding fells and the beautiful landscape.
We arrived at Gatesgarth, where we parked at a pay and display car park beside Gatesgarth Farm. From the car park, you need to head left along the Honister Pass. After 150 metres, you'll see a signpost on the right for Honister Hawes and One Scale Bottom.
Fleetwood Pike out above us. We look out over, just make out the edge of Buttermere. Got haystacks in front of us. The walk to Buttermere Infinity Pool is easy and on a well-defined path. Most of the walk is flat with just a small climb to the pool at the end. Head around the gravel path and continue following the trail. And as the track rounds a corner, you'll see a large waterfall in the far distance. And this is where you'll find the pools. Gonna come over this bridge. See already how clear the water's starting to look. Lovely turquoise blue. Cross the bridge and then you'll come to the base of the pools on your left. So we're getting closer now. You see a nice pool down there. Lovely that. Look at these, beautiful. You can't make out the turquoise as much with it being obviously we've had a lot of rain lately. So there's a lot more water flow coming down, but beautiful. But that's absolutely tremendous in the summer. When it gets busy here though. Look at that one. Crystal clear. I'm not gonna lie, these just keep getting prettier and prettier. Look at that.
This is the main attraction, the Infinity Pool, which is very popular on the likes of TikTok and Instagram. However, we couldn't believe how many incredible swimming holes were in one small area, many of which had the most beautiful turquoise or emerald water. If you're a wild swimming lover or just fancy a plunge in the summer, this is certainly worth a visit.
Look at this water. Higher up the valley were larger falls, however, the pools are better on the lower to mid sections. This is the emerald one, about quite close to the top. When the water's not as free flowing, I bet it's absolutely gorgeous. You can see how deep it is. As always, thanks for watching and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.